there, Microsoft Dynamics and Power Platform community members. My name is Liz Hallen, and I'm so excited to tell you about our expanded DUG Regional Meetup events in 2024. We had such amazing success with our regional events in 2023. We're very excited to bring back even more for you at a regional and local level. We will be coming to 6 different locations across North America in 2024. With the help of our amazing local leaders, you'll get to enjoy a free full day of educational content and amazing networking with your local community members. We hope to see you at a city near you soon.